Setbacks are inevitable. They're gonna happen. And it's the difference between those who thrive and those who stall is how we respond to those setbacks, right? We have to reframe our thinking. We have to reframe how we view a situation. We ask ourselves, what is it that I can do, or what can I change in this situation? What can I learn about this situation? What is it teaching me? Second thing, reflect. We use the feedback to reflect on the things that we've learned from that situation, whether it's a rejection or ways that you can improve with your client or yourself, okay? And then you have to be willing to pivot. In business, we all know we have to pivot. We have to adjust our approach. We have to adjust a lot of things. And so you have to be willing to be flexible when you are in business.